In the world of gemstones, few comparisons are as compelling as the debate between diamonds and rubies. These two precious stones have fascinated humans for centuries, not only for their beauty, but also for their historical significance, rarity, and potential investment value. Diamonds are celebrated for their unmatched hardness, brilliant sparkle, and association with status, love, and longevity. Formed deep within the Earth's mantle under intense heat and pressure over billions of years, each diamond is a unique testament to nature's power. Major producers like Botswana, Russia, Canada, and South Africa supply the global market, where prices are determined by the 4 C's: carat, cut, color, and clarity. A flawless, large diamond can easily fetch millions at auction, and over time, the demand for diamonds, particularly for engagement rings and high-end jewelry, has created a steady investment market. Diamonds are durable and nearly indestructible, making them suitable for frequent wear, which adds to their long-term appeal. Meanwhile, rubies, a red variety of the mineral corundum, are prized for their intense, vibrant hues and historical mystique. Myanmar, historically known as Burma, has produced some of the most valuable rubies in existence, particularly those of the pigeon's blood variety, which exhibit a deep, pure red with subtle blue undertones. Such rubies are extraordinarily rare and can command prices comparable to, or sometimes even surpassing, those of diamonds. The valuation of a ruby, however, hinges primarily on its color, clarity, cut, and origin. While diamonds often have standardized pricing due to global trade networks, rubies are more specialized, and provenance plays a significant role in determining their market value. Culturally, rubies have been symbols of vitality, passion, and protection for centuries, particularly in Asian and Middle Eastern societies, whereas diamonds dominate Western culture as emblems of eternal love and social status. Some collectors argue that investing in high-quality rubies can yield higher returns than diamonds over time, especially as supply constraints make top-grade rubies increasingly scarce. Yet diamonds maintain an edge in market liquidity. They're easier to buy, sell, and trade worldwide, which is why many investors still prefer them as long-term assets. Beyond investment, the aesthetic and emotional appeal of these stones differs significantly. Diamonds dazzle with clarity and refractive brilliance, often appearing icy or colorless, though they can also exhibit subtle tints, while rubies radiate warmth and intensity, captivating viewers with their fiery red glow. Both gemstones have adorned crowns, royal regalia, and iconic jewelry pieces throughout history, adding to their mystique and desirability. In addition, diamonds have a scientific allure. Their hardness, ranking 10 on the Mohs scale, makes them not just symbols of beauty, but objects of practical use in industry, from cutting tools to high-precision instruments. Rubies, slightly softer at 9 on the Mohs scale, are similarly used in specialized applications like lasers, adding another layer to their multifaceted value. The rise of synthetic stones has also reshaped the market. Lab-grown diamonds and rubies now offer affordable alternatives with identical chemical composition and visual qualities. Yet natural stones maintain a premium due to their rarity, provenance, and cultural significance. Investors and collectors often emphasize natural stones' historical and emotional value, which synthetic counterparts cannot fully replicate. Another interesting factor in the diamond versus ruby discussion is historical price trends. While diamonds have enjoyed relatively steady appreciation due to consistent demand and controlled supply by large corporations, rubies can experience sharper price surges, particularly for stones of exceptional quality or famous origins. This volatility can be an advantage for savvy collectors, but a risk for casual investors. When choosing between a diamond and a ruby, personal preference, intended use, and long-term goals play key roles. Some may prioritize the universally recognized allure and resale security of diamonds, while others may seek the rare, passionate charm of a high-quality ruby. Both gems offer a combination of visual beauty, emotional resonance, and financial value, but the decision ultimately hinges on the individual stone's characteristics. Understanding the nuances, such as the difference between a flawless diamond and one with slight inclusions, or between a pigeon's blood ruby and a lighter, less vivid stone, is essential for anyone looking to invest, gift, or wear these treasures. Additionally, current trends in luxury jewelry emphasize sustainability and ethical sourcing, influencing how consumers value both diamonds and rubies. Conflict-free certification for diamonds and responsible mining practices for rubies have become increasingly important, reflecting broader social awareness in the luxury market. This makes the conversation about value not only about monetary worth, but also about ethics, origin, and legacy. Ultimately, whether you choose a diamond for its enduring sparkle and market stability, or a ruby for its fiery beauty and historical prestige, both gems embody millions of years of natural artistry and human fascination. Their worth is measured not only in dollars, but in cultural significance, emotional impact, and rarity, making the diamond versus ruby debate endlessly intriguing. And that's something worth remembering when you next consider acquiring, investing in, or gifting a gemstone of exceptional value.